Keep going. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Whoa, he's big.
Look at the nature we're involved in right now. Look at that. Oh,
Whoa.
what the heck?
Oh my God. Mick, look at this bird.
Look at that bird, Mick. He's coming right towards you.
Oh, he just saw the fish.
Yeah.
He wants it. I don't know.
Wow.
Should we give it to him?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, look at that.
But no, he hasn't learned how to.
Look at that. Those are ptarmigans.
Oh.
It's a nice looking fish. John.
Oh shoot. Uh-oh.
I don't know if he likes catfish.
These fish are beautiful. He looks happy.
He's like, that's the way I go fishing. Oh man. Oh.
He's gonna keep it.
I think he's happy.
Marco Island, baby.